Oh boy, look at that. This is incredible how many leaves we have. I don't even recognize my roof anymore. Any volunteers to clean this up? So hey guys, if you're fed up like me cleaning out your gutters at least twice a year, I recommend that you install gutter guards. I got these on special from a local hardware store. These come in 5 sections of 4 feet each. So what you will need to install the gutter guards, you will need of course a hammer, a good pair of snips. The package comes with 35 screws for 5 sections. That comes out to 7 screws per section. You may need also a drill bit to pre-drill the holes on where the screws will be installed, and of course a screwdriver or a power drill for installing the screws. The package also comes with templates to do your angles, so I already pre-cut them here and I'm gonna mark them off whenever we need to do a corner joint. Each section comes with 4 marks in the front to install the screws. These I found them still a bit difficult to install the screw as is, so I was using a drill bit to drill the rest of the metal through. And as for the back section, there's no holes at all, so you just install them as you go. And again, I was pre-drilling this just to make it easier for the screw installation. The great thing about these guys is that they have an overlapping feature, so whenever you install one, you put the new one on top of it and align them, and you get a perfect joint. Okay, so now we're gonna pre-drill these holes here and then on the side of the house as well. One thing I forgot to mention is that you may have to bend the sheet metal a little bit. This one I almost bent it at 90 degrees because in order for it to fit in a line with the rim of the gutter. Almost 90 degrees, huh? So the hammer you will need, just in case you need to adjust the width of your gutter. See here, the gutter comes out too much. So in order to align both the gutter guard and the gutter, you just have to hammer that nail that holds the gutter in place. There, now it's perfect. To do the corner joint, simply mark off the section of the gutter guard that you would need to cut. By aligning it with the already installed gutter guard. So I managed to find another piece that I already had cut previously, that's the length that I need for this corner joint. So let's mark it off with the template. I'm going to make sure that this corner here is flush with the edge of the gutter guard. And then just trace your line. Oh, I think I forgot my snips on the roof. I'm gonna go get them. I'm telling you guys, this is a good exercise, going up and down on the ladder whenever you forget stuff. Just don't forget to stretch after a long day of work, or else you'll be getting cramps at night in your legs. There we go. Perfect angle of 45 degrees. This is how your joint should look like when you put the two of them together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for your gutter guard installation. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything I missed, or how did it go for you. See you later, guys.